Hello guys, now let's talk about the stack. You are able to see the book, right? I am adding one more book on it and again I am adding one more book on it. So stack means whichever we add at the last in, we have to remove the first out, right? So last in, we have to remove first out. So stack will follow the last in first out order. We already know that stack class is extending the vector class. That means vector class allows the null and duplicates, right? The similar way stack also allows the null and duplicate values. As we have some methods in the array list and vector, in the similar way in the stack also we have some methods. Those are push, pop, peek. So these are the three main methods. Push is to insert the values inside a stack, pop is to remove a value from a stack, and peek is to retrieve a value from a stack. Now let's implement stack practically. I'm just giving a stack class string. Let's name it as books is equal to new stack. Okay, now add some data inside it. Books dot, we have to use push book 1. So I'm just copy pasting this one. So push is useful to insert the data inside a stack. Okay, I'm just naming book 2, book 3, book 4 and book 5. Now if I use the peek method, so book 5 has to be returned because last in was book 5 and we have to get it book 5, right? Println books dot peek. Okay, now let's run it. Now you can see book 5 last element was returned. Okay, now let's remove some elements inside it. Books dot pop. So that means book 5 will be removed. Now I am again using books dot pop. That means book 4 will be removed. Now just I am printing again peek. Okay, now book 3 has to be returned, right? Now let's run it. Now you can see book 3 has been returned. Now if you want the size of your stack, right, you can use the size method. So just what you can do, you can use dot size. So you will get the stack size. Now you can see there are 3 elements inside a stack. Now the question is, can we add duplicates? Now let's add this one. Yes, it is accepting the duplicates. Okay, now let's add the null value also. Books dot push null also I am adding. Now just run it. Now you can see null also accepting. So what you can understand is from here the null and the duplicates are acceptable in the stack. That's it. There is a problem with stack. Stack is a legacy one and as well as it is synchronous. We know that the synchronous collection we are using, that will become a slow. So to avoid this, the modern Java is suggesting that instead of using the stack, you can go with the dequeue. Dequeue means double-ended queues. What is the dequeue? How we can use it? What is the advantage of dequeue? We will discuss in the upcoming videos. So for now, just remember that instead of using the stack, we can use the dequeue as the best alternative. Now I will overview about the stack. So the first thing was last in first out order it will follow. That means the example is a bunch of plates or a bunch of books you can consider. The second thing was it is a legacy and it is a synchronized one. The third thing was instead of using the stack you can go with the dequeue. And the fourth thing was it will accept the null and duplicate values. That's it.